Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwino Holding don't reply to the video wey about Obaze do. Make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze.
Yes, somebody called into the broadcast and the thing break. So I have to, of the truth, I want to talk now and I want to explain, make it know as it be. My brother Abbas, I not get one single issues with you. The issues we are having in Edo State today, not issue in respect to land grabbing. If you support the fight against land grabbers, you do not need to now begin to fight with. You cannot be claiming to be supporting land grabbers, to be fighting against land grabbers, and be fighting those. Now, as at 2016, thereabout, use my name, they seem they go one shirt, fine, one shirt. You don't know, say, you expect me now to still remain like that? You are growing on a daily basis, the same way I am growing on a daily basis. Ordinarily, I'm not supposed to reply you, but I have reasons because all through for more than 7 months, you have been looking for me in all areas. As you see that look where you look, so I prepare now. How about more disgrace ourselves if you wish? I deal with you. I deal with you. No, you don't do them. With the line make peace day. As you say you know me, I know much about you and you know him. You know too much when I know bros. Too much. Too much. Too much. Bros. Thank God you cannot call me a thief. You cannot call me a fraudster that have defrauded anybody. And I challenge all the dope people. Anyone when me don't call for phone say, we want to do a protest now, come and bring money. Or we want to do so and so thing, come and bring money. Please then expose me. Now me and you dey here. When would they do the elections? I come out publicly, come talk say, Edo people send money to me. I not collect anyone. You can say my code. No. My brother, I not get one single issues with you. You are quick to say envy, envy. I want to ask, which of the parts of you I want envy? For example, not a quick talk what you they do to people. If they check me and your hearts, you are the most envious person, bros. If they check our hearts, now you the envy. Me not the envy. You are the first person who carry my house go put for Facebook. Say they are coming to seize his house. You were the first. Now you even talk about your video again this morning. Say that time day in Papa house. I not get my papa father born me. He born me put for his house. Later, my father died. We build our own. I'll get house for Benin. First son, I'll go the rent house. Who is your father in this town? If not the question, were you a big man son? Me and you not be big man picking. We strive. I lost my own 1995. Your own still day. May God bless him wherever he is. Your father is a father. He's not your father alone. He's a father to us all. For as long as he's an Edo man and we are Edo children, he's an elderly man. He's our father. The both of us work to strive. And we try to meet up. We try to meet up. Ever since they let me rest. You carry my this, you go put my house for Facebook. See, yeah, so vehicle matter never starts. You look for, you told me, you say I will completely destroy your business. That was what you told me about. I am in a hurry to destroy your business. I have the screenshot. I am in a hurry to destroy your business. That's what you told me. You ran out to come and blackmail me. Sienna matter, Sienna vehicle matter. You came online. Hey, remember that's what I connect. Say, when you don't remove their motto. Luckily for me, great men and women of the connect, although we have some selected saboteurs as well, but the connect in general, over 85 to 90% came out to tell you, those who donated the money to buy the Sienna, I never one day said, till today, I have not numbered that Sienna. Till today, I not number her, not register her, because I don't want to register her with my name. Till today, I not register her. You were the first to come out. Oh, you said I'm the warrior Sakunokudi. Looking for every available opportunity to get out to Sakunokudi. And you said I'm envying you. You say I'm envying you. My brother, you told me point blank, you are in a hurry to destroy my business. Now, thank God I am not a redundant person. Thank God. As government say, hey, everybody stop. To say I not go school, I don't network. By this kind of time for Babiala. Immediately, I knocked myself. I said there was an expertise in school where they teach you. Go and ask. Let me and you go back to our various schools. More they go ask questions about us for school and our performance in academics. About now because of say you need to know who. Now make we know hold the highest position in those states. Not be say we not qualify. But thank God today we are now having a responsible government. We don't know papa, you don't know mama, you don't know pikin. If you submit one, they'll give you chance. May you go do. I don't have issues with you. I don't know why you see when you say more just come out now. What if about me and you get issue? Me and you get issue. What are we dragging? What I really need to know. In fact, let's be very, very plain. Let Edo people know what the both of us are really dragging. And I want to state what I'm dragging. Now. Excuse me. Hello? Okay. No. Okay, I hear you. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. I want to state this clearly. The issues when me get say, I want to open a mind, then come talk your own. The issue when me get say, I know once make you as a man when not they take advice, not be you go the lord over me. Even if other people agree, may you they feel they road them. Can't Osakuna out of it. I've told you before. I have told you before, you cannot come out, even if say you defeat do people, not come, you know this Osakuna coding. I not get any other issue with you, but the idea of say you not be my chairman, you not be my anything, you did your own. If bros, if you stay your own, say you not interfere to my area, we don't get issue. We don't get issue, believe me. We don't get one issue. The issue we are having is to me. You see everybody as a threat. How can you, a man, openly talk and say you remove food for Dion Lusagi mouth? You just come out normally, you say, because I remove food. Are you happy to remove food from your brother's mouth? That is the point. You come and say, because I remove food. You are supposed to bring food to people's table, not removing food from people's table. I don't have issues with you, bros. I don't have issues with you. I respect you as a person. You have a right to your life. You have a right to your business. You have a right to be the lord of your empire. But I am not within the jurisdiction of your empire. We'll continue to have conflict if you try to push that. Then what are you dragging with me? What am I dragging with you? You talk about now one shirt in the wear, now one trouser in the wear. Now this who is this? This one smell low. Nothing when you not call me. I just try to dey reserve now. More things than when I go to. I'll follow you down. As I did on my phone, they ring. None of this call be business. Now, why are you responding to our banana the year? That did they call me for? But I need to respond to you, bros. I need to respond to you. Because you don't be like you they think and say, all the time when I tell you try avoid and I dread. No. Me and you know. You know, say we two know each other. Well. We two know each other, bro. So not do like that. We two know each other. I don't ever tell you before. I not get issues with you. Leave me for waste. We are fighting a common cause. Okay, now what is the need for all this attack? That we are fighting, pushing that Ohan Okoromi should return all the lands he collected from Edo people. If Ohan Okoromi know the one we still collect, may still push, may return my own. Ohan Okoromi is an Uhe. He did community issue. Osakwenokwo, they did verse. The one where you know say me still collect. Call them, may they come. If you still say you get anyone for my own, let me settle it. I will return money if I collect anyone. May you self return money for the one you collect. It's very simple. Now, what is the reason behind all this attack? That we are pressuring the Ohens of Oromi should allow those people to be free? I don't know exactly what will be the issues. The guy where they wear one shirt yesterday, I thank God. I'm not going to deceive you. Any small thing, diaspora, he go this diaspora. My dear brother, as we speak, I do vice chairman all through when we did the position. Even when I give you all the details in respect to what is happening there, you turn a blind eye. You want to castigate me. You want to castigate me. You want to castigate me. Bros, leave me for waste. I not get any issues with you. I first tell you before, we dey do business together, almost the same business. Because of you, that make me not to tell anybody say I want to sell land. You were the first to say, what did they sell? They sell it, but now you are selling lands. Whether you be indigenous of the community or not, you are selling land. When I see you sell land, I say no. Make it not be like say only me one day everywhere. I face your fool. Immediately you rush come. Now see what they do now. Later, I say I be surveyor now. They do. I learn am for school. Now survey you they do now. All of the only you want there everywhere, bros. The one way want give you, go give you. The one way want give me, go give me. Carry your own do, and let me carry my own do. We be different people, bros. The last time you were celebrating your birthday, you called me. I wish you happy birthday. I not get anything from mine. Even when you do muku for mine. Happy birthday, bros. You say how you celebrate. I say, amen. Okay, I will be there. I came. I not get any issues with you. But you know right from the one say me no go agree. For I be you know now when I be a circle, I be a son, I be Benin at the same time. The three of them will be a dose. Now inside of the now the same blood the flow for our side. You know agree. Make me, you know go agree make another man lord over you. I mean no agree make me lord over another man. As I did so, I not the fight to rule over anybody. But I no agree me anybody rule over me. As we speak, I dey fit come out for live video wear singlet. I fit come out for I feel they come at the day where they can use my house do home video. When me and the people they do where they had the drama come. Now this singlet I take a picture, I put that for Facebook. I not sabi do assume me. I not like for me. You see me so I not even sabi safe. But the point being made is very clear. I beg you, bros. I beg you, bros. I beg you, bros. This one not before attack. I want beg you openly. Try leave me for waste. If you support anti-CDA protests, as you claim, tell all of them to stop land grabbing. Let's make we agree as you allege me say all the thing when I do. All the thing when you talk now true, see I do. See I don't stop. Help me beg God for your church. Make me see self beg God. Make God forgive me for the one I don't do past. Make we not do again. Is that too big to ask? Is that too much to ask? I beg you, leave me for waste, my dear brother. I not get issues with you. We not get anything where we dey drag. Bros, face your life. Make I face my life. I not get problem with you. Do your own. Make I do my own. In my back boy, you supported the protest, according to you. Why the saga from the protest? Why the attack on people who organized the protest? If you actually supported the protest. Now, what you are supposed to be doing is to now focus on those who are creating this problem. I beg you, leave me for waste. I not get any business whatsoever with you. Let me, as you say, this is my track, so let me face her. Except you have been recruited by those who have seen it that we have placed on you a very great pressure on them. If you are not, come out openly and support us instead of creating unnecessary rancor. Me and you not get issue. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.